Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to repair collagen on your face. To effectively restore your skin's youthful appearance, focus on methods that actively encourage new collagen synthesis. This process helps to diminish fine lines and improve overall skin elasticity. We'll explore key ingredients and practices that offer the most significant impact on your skin's health and firmness. One of the most effective ways to repair facial collagen is through the consistent use of topical retinoids. These powerful derivatives of vitamin penetrate the skin to stimulate cellular turnover and encourage the production of new collagen fibers. Starting with a lower concentration and gradually increasing, it can help your skin adjust, leading to noticeable improvements in firmness and a reduction in visible lines. Beyond retinoids, incorporating peptides and vitamin C into your routine offers significant benefits for collagen repair. Peptides act as messengers, prompting your skin cells to produce more collagen. Vitamin C, a potent antioxidant, is not only vital for the actual synthesis of collagen, but also protects your skin from environmental damage. Using these together can amplify your skin's ability to rebuild and strengthen its structure. While stimulating new collagen is key, protecting your existing collagen is equally important. Daily application of a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 is crucial to shield your skin from UV damage, a major cause of collagen degradation. Additionally, a diet rich in antioxidants and limiting sugar intake can help maintain collagen integrity, ensuring your efforts to repair and rejuvenate your skin are long-lasting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.